Ever dreamt of a dessert mixing best of Eastern and Western cultures? A magic dance between Turkish delight flavors and American waffle texture. This is what this recipe is all about. Ready, set, bake. Prepare 60 grams caster sugar, 1 teaspoon, vanilla extract, 80 grams, Turkish delight, 1 gram or half teaspoon red food dye, 4 grams baking powder, 1 egg, 240 grams plain white flour, and 180 milliliters milk. Start off by adding the egg, milk, and vanilla extract in a bowl, and mix them well until ingredients are completely combined. I am using KitchenAid Robot, but all mixing can be done easily by hand. Next, add the white flour, baking powder, caster sugar, and the red dye to the bowl, and keep mixing until ingredients are completely combined. That normally takes a couple of minutes. Next, flatten the Turkish delight cubes into thin strips and leave them aside. Whilst doing that, do not apply too much pressure to avoid sticking. In the meantime, preheat the waffle maker to medium heat and lightly oil the grid. Once it's all ready, pour 1 standard ladle of the waffle mix in the waffle maker. Add a layer of the Turkish delight on top of it, and add some more batter on top to fully cover the Turkish delight. Bake for 3 minutes at medium heat. Take the waffle out immediately to avoid browning. Let it cool off at room temperature and it is ready to go.
What's up guys? We've got our Turkish delight waffle ready. Take a look at that. Let me taste. Take a look at that. Okay, I'm gonna have a taste. It's looking great. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, but most importantly, never skip breakfast.